warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Zaini. I am from B class 2018, and today I will explain my lesson plan that I have created, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. For this lesson plan, the name of the teacher is Ahmad Zaini SPD. Name of school SMPN 4 Amuntai. Subject English. Grade 9 grade. The topic for this lesson is They Are Made in Indonesia is on chapter 11. Text type transactional text. Skill writing and speaking. Time allocation 1 time 15 minutes. Okay, for the core competencies, this is from our government, and you can see from my lesson plan. And then for basic competence, an indicator of competency achievement in this lesson plan, basic competence is taken from the government draft, and for transactional in form of passive voice, basic competence are 3.8 and 4.8. For the indicator of competence achievement, it is for 3.8.1 to identify, 3.8.2 to describe, 4.8.1 to create, and 4.8.2 to perform. This is based on the skill that the teacher wants to do in the classroom. Then, for learning objective in this lesson, the student will be able to analyze transactional text about the passive voice that has been prepared in a meaningful way and suitable for the condition in the class. The student will be able to create their own transactional text about passive voice in front of the class. The student will be able to describe people, things, or activities by using passive voice. And for attitudes, values focus are religious, nationalist, integrity, and mutual cooperation. Then the learning material for this lesson plan, this is about passive voice. There are regular learning material. In the regular learning material, there's a fact and concept. In the concept, passive voice is a sentence or clause in which subjects of people, objects, or activities receive action from the verb. And you can see this is the example of the passive voice. And then the principle in this lesson plan, the teacher will explain about the generic structure, its purpose, applying passive voice in conversation and daily activities, dominant language features, passive voice, positive, negative, and interrogative. This is the example. Positive form, active voice, subject plus verb plus object, change into passive voice, subject plus to be plus verb third plus by plus object. Negative form, active voice, subject plus auxiliary plus not plus verb plus object. Change into passive voice, subject plus to be plus not plus verb third plus by plus object. Form interrogative form, active voice, auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus object. Change into passive voice, to be plus subject plus verb third plus by plus object. And you can see the example, the sentences. And then the procedure. In the end of the lesson, the student can creating and practicing transactional text about passive voice. Learning materials for remedial, a transactional text about passive voice that is interesting, good, accurate by modifying simple present tense, positive, negative, and interrogative. Learning material for enrichment, social function, generic structure, and language features, and transactional text in form practical conversation and written sentences. For learning method, I use a scientific approach and learning model CLT, as well known communicative language teaching. Then for the learning media, I use LCD projector, laptop, whiteboard, textbook, marker. Then for learning search, I use the book from Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan edisi revisi 2018, buku siswa mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris kelas 9, Jakarta, Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan. Then module learning materials, and I using from the internet search too. And you can see the link and the link from YouTube. Then I would like to tell you about my teaching and learning activity for about 15 minutes. The first is opening activity for 2 minutes. There are orientation, apperception, motivation, and giving reference. For the orientation, the teacher wants the student to have their religious character. It's like doing reciting salam and praying when we start the lesson. Then a perception, the teacher give a perception to the student, like remembering the material from the previous level. And then motivation, give motivation for the learning the material, and also giving reference. Okay, and then for the main activity for about 12 minutes, there are 4 C and literation activities. For the simulation, there are literation activities. Students are given motivation or simulation to focus attention on the topic by doing some ways like viewing, observing, reading, and listening. Specifically for reading, students are asked to read material from textbook or other supporting book from the internet relate the material. Passive voice in form of simple present tense. For listening, students are asked to listen to the material given by the teacher, which is related to the passive voice on chapter 11, page 204, and modify simple present tense into passive voice. And then in problem statement, there are critical thinking. In critical thinking, the teacher asks the student for about 3 questions, like what is passive voice, what is the function of passive voice, how to transform simple present tense into passive voice. And then the teacher want to student be able to answer the question. Then in the data collection, there are collaboration and critical thinking. The students are asked to explore their knowledge by reading reference book about passive voice and how to apply passive voice for conversation. And in representing activities, this is the technique that the teacher want to use in the classroom. Learner do the following activities. The student work in pairs to design passive voice based on the situation in the class, and the student discuss it with others friend. After that, the student exchange information with their friends about how to express situation in the class by using passive voice. In data processing, there are critical thinking. Students in their group discuss processing the observational data in way discussing about the data, how to identify structure of passive voice, how to describe something by using passive voice, how to create sentence in form passive voice. And then in preparation, there is critical thinking. In the step, the student present in front of the class to describe thing by using passive voice. And for the generalization, there are communication. The student have to communicate with other. In this case, the student are discussing to summarize about passive voice that is accurate and precise. Okay, and for closing activity, the student have to make summary to know their understanding about the lesson plan or the lesson today, and then to make them creative. And also the teacher checking student work. The last one are assessment, remedial, and enrichment. For this one, the teacher reclaim of assessment. The first is affective for spiritual and social. You can see this kind of assessment that is observation journal that for based on the character the teacher want the student have in the classroom. And this is the value, the character, religious, nationalist, integrity, and mutual cooperation. And you can see the score 2 from low to high. And then for the cognitive, I choose spoken test because it is for developing the student speaking skills. And for psychomotor, I choose performance. From this learning process, the students are able to write down and express situation like conversation in the class by using passive voice. And this is the rubric of assessment writing. There are suitability, grammatical, vocabulary, clarity of meaning, and you can see the point 2. Then there are aspect of speaking assessment like grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, fluency, pronunciation, task accomplishment. And there is the score from low to high, from 1 to 5. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.